What going on? What going on? What going on, guys? It's your girl Reza. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos from me. Welcome to the fam. Subscribe. Let go. Products do not grow your hair. Even though a lot of you have asked me what products I've been using recently to grow my hair, I don't mind sharing my products that I'm using with you guys, but the first question you ask me should not be what products do you use in your hair and expect for you to magically grow long hair. The most major important thing, especially if you want to grow your hair, first of all, your hair is growing. For those of you who've had a relaxer and you realize that you had to touch up your hair quite often because you've had a lot of new growth, that's the proof in the pudding right there. Your hair is growing. It's just learn how to take care of your hair, mama. I haven't showed you guys the products I've been using in a while, even though I have products here on my channel that show you guys my favorite leave-ins, my favorite deep conditioners, my favorite. I have all sorts of video here for you guys that you need to catch up on. But however, if you want to know the products that I have been using lately that's helping me retain length, that's helping to keep my curls moisturized and juicy, and you know moisturized and juicy curls grow, kinks grow, okay? Hair grows, naps grows, whatever you want to call it, we grow it. Let's get into this video. I'm going to break these down into categories to make this less stressful for all of us. I'm going to start with the shampoos. Shampoos are one of my favorite types of products. Lately, I've been reaching for these same shampoos in rotation. First, we have the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This is so moisturizing, so hydrating. I detangle my hair with this shampoo. That's how real this is. I don't know about you, but we love coconut over here, especially for my hair. This is Shea Moisture's 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. I love this shampoo. This and the other one I reach for a lot. If you don't like coconut, okay, boom. Next. Lastly, for my shampoo, I have the Yadain Raw Honey and Tea Tree Shampoo. Antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammation, fights dandruff, improves scalp circulation, and a hair softener. If you guys remember that haul I did with a lot of their products, if you're looking for a real natural shampoo that is moisturizing and cleanses your hair thoroughly, this your boy. It cleanses your hair, it leaves your hair soft, but you won't be detangling much with this. Next, we have conditioners. Would you believe I only have one conditioner to show you guys today? What's your favorite moisturizing conditioner that detangles, softens your hair? I don't care what ingredients they have in, just let me know what your favorite is. The conditioner that I have been reaching for a lot, and this is my third one actually. This has been May, okay? This only has one more wash left. I've tried so hard not to use it because I've been trying others and I haven't been impressed. Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care Balanced Moisture Conditioner. Very moisturizing, helps me to detangle. It can also be used as a deep conditioner, so that's a bonus. Love this stuff. Conditioner section was very short-lived, so we're going to go on to the deep conditioners. Yes, one of my favorites as well. I love me some deep conditioner. I haven't made my homemade deep conditioners in a while, even though I do have some bomb recipes that only have 2 deep conditioners and I have a protein treatment. So let's go. The Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. I actually stole this from my mom and the first time I tried it, I was surprised. Like, I was confused. And then I read all these ingredients and I was like, hold up, wait a minute. It's very moisturizing for me. This brings my curls back to life. This helps with my elasticity of my curl. I have the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt. From the same line of the shampoo, I have the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. If you know you're protein sensitive, stay away from this. But if you know you need some protein in your life, this right here. I messed up with this though. I was using this a little bit too often, so it can cause breakage and, you know, a little too much sometimes. So be careful with this. Speaking about protein, we have the Green Beauty Products Real Protein Treatment. Increases your hair's ability to maintain and receive moisture. So this is an actual protein treatment, you know, the real deal. Really love this. She makes YouTube videos. She has some of the best, honestly, I think she hands down has the best YouTube videos about natural hair and natural hair care. Very informative. You guys should check her out. You're supposed to mix it with another product, well, conditioning product, comparable to Afro-G protein products, or even better if you ask me. So you haven't seen me mention this brand yet, but it's the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This is some really good stuff. Love it. Very moisturizing, very light, so it's not too thick, it's not creamy either, it's very lightweight. I love leave-in conditioners like that to use, as it says, as a primer for your other products, or if you don't really want to style your hair yet, you can put this in and the next day you can style your hair. I have another product from Cultural Solutions Yadain. It's their Soften and Moisturize Hair Refreshner Conditioner, enhanced with avocado and vitamin E. I was trying to get a few more pumps out of this, but I don't think I can. We will try. I just used this under my wash and go. This is very moisturizing, softens your hair. I've been reaching for this a lot. We have another product from them. You guys saw this in my refreshing my mini twist video that I recently did. It's their Repair and Restore Maintenance and Curl Hair Milk Complex. Love this stuff for remoisturizing my hair. It's kind of too light to use on its own as a moisturizer to me, but to refresh my hair, refresh my twist, refresh, you know, it's really good. I love this. I need to order some more. It's some of the pictured products that they have on their website does not look like the actual product, so that's something they need to work on. But if I link the product, that's the exact product that I have. Not greasy, not thick, mostly on the watery side. I really love this. Every time I use this, I'm just so in shock of how moisturized my hair gets when I use this. So bam! At this point, Shea Moisture really need to sponsor me. Next, I have their Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk with Silk Protein, and I love the product. My hair loves it. It does its thing, it does its job, and ain't no complaints. I've been using this a lot to twist my hair, to moisturize my hair under my wash and goes. I also love the curl enhancing, what do you call it? The curl enhancing smoothie to this, right, yeah? But I'm all out of that one. So curl enhancing smoothie is even more moisturizing for me, so that's awesome. I remember back in the day I hated that product. I really hated it. Now I'm in love. You know how that goes sometimes. If I know I want moisture, I'ma get it from those two products. I'm tired, and I know you're tired too, but hang in there, we're almost done. You will read one if you're still watching. To the next, now we have stylers, gels, you know, that category. Since I've stopped using Eco Styler so often, or ever so often, I probably won't stop using it. Nothing slicks my hair down like Eco Styler, nothing. We have the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. You guys actually put me on to this though. Yes, on Instagram. I love this for my wash and goes. It gives me curl definition, volume, softness. The only thing is, in humid and hot temperatures, your wash and go doesn't last that long with this product. That's the only thing that I dislike right now. Love this. Thank you guys for putting me on. Conditioners and gels are not getting any love from me lately, but we're going to move on to oils. I'm not too crazy when it comes to oils. So we have this huge bottle of castor oil. Castor oil is the realest. Usually I switch between black castor oil and a regular one. I mean, I don't have a preference, it's which one I want to get. The black castor oil is pretty expensive compared to this colored one. I've used this before in the past, did me well, didn't have any issues with it, didn't have any problems with it, so I got it again. I usually use this on my ends. It helps to seal in moisture on my ends, helps to keep my ends moisturized actually when I seal it in. A lot of people don't really like it because it can be heavy, so that's why I usually focus on my ends when I use this. I don't really use this on my scalp. The oil that I'm going to mention to you next is what I'll use on my scalp. I mentioned this oil to you guys in my grow long hair and retain length video. It's the wild growth hair oil. This low-key helps with hair growth. If you've had a good experience with this oil, comment down below. I mostly got it for the front of my hair because you guys know I told you that I was brushing the front of my hair too much and basically my hair was breaking off and falling out. Currently this is the only oil I use on my scalp. I don't follow the instructions on how they say to use it. I just massage and oil my scalp with it. It does having coconut. And here's something I noticed in the colder months when I use this, I had a lot of buildup on my scalp. So I would stay away from this in the winter months because your scalp will be looking all gunky, especially when it's time to wash it out because coconut oil can harden in the winter. Lastly, I have the essential balms. Jojoba honey cream balm. You guys know this is bae. I don't have to talk much about this to y'all. Usually this is a good product to seal with after you moisturize your hair with your leave-in. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Those are the products that I have been reaching for a lot lately that have been in rotation. See you in the next one. Bye.